हांगा जो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स एड्रेस करता तो पब्लीक अकाउंट्स कमिटीचो चेअरमॅन म्हणून एड्रेस करपाक येवंक ना, कारण अनेक जाग्यार कोफुदांवां करपाचो प्रयत्न जाता. आय एम मेकिंग इट व्हेरी क्लियर दॅट पब्लीक अकाउंट्स कमिटी इज एन स्टॅच्युटरी ऑथॉरिटी which is carrying out its duty and which will, I can only tell you that by 3rd or 4th the Public Accounts Committee will finalize its report. In fact, it has already done one report of the previous year, or report 5-6 year 5-6 aha. That much information I can definitely give you, that by 5th or 6th 4th or 5th, sorry 3rd or 4th, the Public Accounts Committee will probably complete its exercise, in which one of the section is mining. Secondly, one of the para which has been taken is a mining, and obviously in that para there is reference to the royalty of around 1.09 crore, that is 10.9 million tons मिनरलाचेर रॉयल्टी चुकयल्या हाजो उल्लेख आसा 3 वर्सान. 10.9 million tons. It's an open CAG report which we scrutinize. It very clearly indicates that 10.9 million tons of iron ore has been exported from Goa during the 3 years period starting from 2004 to 2007, 2006 I think, for 3 years period, and royalty has not been received by the government on that export. It also has a small paragraph which says that the mining department does not have any mechanism of keeping any record of the mining activity, payment of royalty and all those aspects. In the due course, Public Accounts Committee has gone through the details of structure of mining department and how the royalty is leaked. So that report will come during the assembly session, maybe on the first day, as listed. Whatever it is listed, I can't say exactly how it will be listed. What I am going to tell you is based on many documents that I have been able to get in from the government during various assembly session over a period of last 3.5 years. All these documents flow out of assembly questions or RTI information which I have obtained. And I can say only one thing, that due to when the boom started, there was leakage earlier also. When the boom started, the quantum of leakage has increased manifold. The mining illegality is shadowing the legal mine today, probably almost touching 40 to 50% of the total mining activity in the state. At least. See, that is our estimate. The problem is you cannot identify every mine by trying to point out what is the reason illegality goes on. But one thing is very sure, and every indications we have, that because we have brought this issue time and again before the assembly, before the public, before the press, that there are political patronages which are resulting into this illegal mining. And obviously, one politician from Sattari is reported to be demanding 50 rupees per ton for lifting of any dump from his area or scope of 50 रुपया पर टन तो डिमांड करता व्हडल्या व्हडल्या मायन हांचे कडच्यान इंडस्ट्री कडच्यान टू अलाव लिफ्टिंग ऑफ डम्प्स फ्रॉम हीज झोन ऑफ इन्फ्लुयन्स. हांव राव मागीर उत्तर मागीर दिता. Probably because of that benefit, he is trying to increase his field of operation nowadays.
How many mines are there?
I'll come. There are cases where illegal ore has been exported, and MPT today says they will not export illegal ore. This is a point which I have been stressing for last 2 years. How could have MPT exported illegal mine over last 2 years at least, when the issue was raised in the assembly? In fact, I went to the extent of telling Chief Minister that if MPT does not agree, you pick up their chairman and call him for investigation. I have made this statement in the assembly. And in spite of that, government was not able to enforce stoppage of illegal mine until February of this 2011, probably when PSC started from last September, October, investigating into all this illegal mining. This illegal mining in Goa to the size is, I will put it, at least 15 to 20 times the size of Karnataka. It may not be in the value, but if you check up the size of the state and the area, the magnitude is multiplied many times. And therefore, BJP's demand is very specific. Number one, all illegal mining should be stopped immediately. There does not seems to be any will from the government even today, after so much Allah Gulla which is happening, to stop the mining. Shah Commission, which came here, probably pointed out year before, 2 years back, after a lot of pressure from our side, a committee under chairmanship of principal conservator was appointed to inspect working mines for irregularities. And according to my memory, this full thick folder they have done, they have pointed out at least major irregularities in 32 mines. And they were not, mind you, they were not going into all kinds of illegality. They were going into only forest, environment irregularity mostly. So far, after consistent effort, only one illegal mining case, there are people who have been arrested and charge sheeted. Only one, Jiten Deshprabhu. Except that there are cases like, for example, there was a case at Ambeli in Sattari Taluka, where under pretext of digging a lake, तळें खणपाक म्हणून माती काडून 1.5 लाख टन माल थंयच्यान भायर काडलेलो आसा, जाचेर रेड बोवाळ घालतकच रेड मारून मशिनां मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंटान सील केल्ली मशिनां ब्लॅटंटली थंयच्यान सिलां तोडून घेवन गेली वता, आनी अजून पर्यंत पुलीस ताजी इन्क्वायरी करना इन स्पायट ऑफ 2-3 प्रॉमिसीस ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस. Indicates a strong political patronage, and obviously you know political patronage in Sattari, who can afford to give. सत्तरीच्या वायल्ड लायफांच्यान चौगुलेच्या नांवार आशिल्ल्या मायनींच्यान इल्लिगल मायन काडपाचो एक्सरसायज पोरू लोकांच्या अलर्टनेसमुळे थंय थांबलो गेल्लो आहा. गवाण्या ती वायल्ड लायफान येता मागीर थंयचे आमचे कार्यकर्ते प्लस अदर NGOs, they gathered the information on the RTI. They came to us also. When Public Accounts Committee also inquired, the Mines Department immediately said, no, we have issued stop excavation order. But no punishment has been done for the people who extracted almost more than 1 lakh tons of ore. त्यामुळे हे सरकार, ह्या सरकारान आशिल्ले मंत्री, मागीर ते सत्तरीन आशिल्लो विश्वजीत राणे पासून ह्या सायडीक आशिल्लो जोकी मालेमांव, हे सगळे जाण खंय ना खंय तरी कशा ना कशा तरी पद्दतीन ह्या सगळ्या इल्लिगल मायनीक जबाबदार आसात. दे कॅनॉट एस्केप द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. आनी म्हणून ह्या सगळ्यांक एका झपक्यान मुख्यमंत्र्या सकट मंत्रिमंडळ, आतां जो कोमो सुद्दां आरोवपाक लागलो दनपारचो उठून, हांची परिस्थिती हांच्यांनी अशी करून दिल्या की कोम्याक सुद्दां कन्फ्युजन जावपाक लागलां. सगळ्यांक म्हाका इतलेंच सांगता की हांकां हांचेर CBI इन्क्वायरी घालून हांचे सगळे इल्लिगल पयशाचे सोर्स जे आहा, ज्या पद्दतीन पळय कोणे कितलो खर्च केला, म्हणजे पयर चवथीक 92 लाखाची बिलां कोणें फारीक केली, ते सगळी इन्वेस्टिगेशन जावपाची गरज पयशे खंयच्यान येता. कोणे तरी आयज म्हणला की विश्वजीत राणे हो मिनेराचो जावय म्हणून. ही प्रोबेबली फॉरगॉट दॅट ही इज ऑल्सो ग्रँडसन ऑफ अ मिनेर. संदूर, Karnataka. They are the biggest mine holder. Of course, I am not alleging anything, but I am not alleging anything. I am not alleged. Only said the relation is from both sides. I don't want to make a point beyond this. Our demand is that there should be an independent inquiry, not by Goa police, by either the committee appointed by Supreme Court or CBI. Number two, our demand is stop illegal mining immediately. No, obviously, independent inquiry, criminal inquiry it has to be. It is not ordinary inquiry. I am not asking for a commission like Shah. I am asking police agencies to inquire into it, or a apex body appointed committee to inquire into it, so that the illegality like Bellary can be pointed out and the guilty punished. Secondly, stop all illegal mining immediately. That will reduce lot of pressure on transportation, because I was getting complaint even today from people of Rivona that there is a huge line of trucks carrying the material. म्हणजे एके वटेन आमी सगळे इल्लीगल मायनीचे उलयता, दुसरे वटेन ते कितें ते इल्लीगलिटी चालूच आहा काय कितें. So our demand is to stop this illegal mining immediately. There seems to be connivance at the political level, bureaucratic level, down the line, or up to the person who is involved in the illegal mining. In fact, some of them, probably as a raising contractor, have become the real mine owners. Some of them transport ore, as you know. It will surprise you that there are 405 trading and exporting and mining houses in the state. 405. And mind you, both the SPs, north and south, are being told to find the addresses of these companies. The mines department does not have the addresses of some of the addresses they may have, but most of them they don't have the addresses, particularly the traders, mining traders. They are registered with them, but they don't know their addresses. SPs have been given the list, according to my information, to find out. पुलिसांक सांगला आमचे एड्रेस फायंड करा. 405 नावाचे लिस्ट आहा म्हजे कडेन. हातून भितर पुलिसूय भरपूर इनवॉल्ड आसा. जे सगळे इल्लीगल मायनींग, there are police, in fact there are police personnel who have been telling politicians that you post me there, I will fix everything for you. म्हापशा वतानी विचार ट्रॅफिकान, ते तुमकां रोखडे सांगतले. ट्रॅफिक कॉन्स्टेबलाक विचार, कारण ट्रॅफिक मायन एरियेन ट्रॅफिक वचपाक एकदम डिमांड चड आसा सद्या. हांवें म्हाका सांगपाचें सांगलां, तुमकां कितें विचारपाचें विचारा. आय एम सॉरी, सम रिस्ट्रेंट आय हॅव टू कीप ऑन माय सेल्फ बिकॉज ऑफ आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू क्रॉस द लायन. कसली BSCच्या मिटिंगेन व्हडलें काय तुमकां सांगूं शकना, पण बिझनेस कितें आहा तो ठरला. आनी वन डे असेंब्ली कशी वाडटली. BSC कशें ठरयतले, गव्हर्मेंट ठरयता. मायनिंगाचेर कोणाक विचारपाचें पयलीं विचारया, मागीर बट BSC is an secret report. I can't discuss it except saying that meeting was held today, and it is obviously for the number of days decided for discussion.